Hello future diesel mechanics, welcome to our YouTube channel. Looking to kickstart your career with the best training? In this video, I will share the top 5 schools that provide excellent diesel mechanic programs to set you on the path to success. First up, we have Universal Technical Institute. With campuses across the US, UTI offers hands-on training, experienced instructors, and partnership with top brands like Cumin and Freightliner. Next, we have Your Tech. Your Tech provides focused, high-intensity training programs with an emphasis on both diesel engines and heavy equipment. Third one, we have Lincoln Tech. Lincoln Tech's diesel technology programs are nationally recognized, providing in-depth experience on everything from trucks to industrial machines. Fourth, we have University of Northwestern Ohio. UNOH offers both degrees and certificate programs with extensive lab time to master diesel engines. And finally, we have Ohio Technical College. Ohio Tech stands out with its personalized training and connection with industry-leading companies. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more career tips.